Hello, welcome to another episode of Black Ice 73. I am Black Ice 73. Today, it's a shame what happened to today. What happening today in the stock market? It's a damn shame, people. Robin Hood and other damn trade apps have stopped people from purchasing stocks in AMC, GameStop, Nokia, and other stocks like Bad Body and Beyond, or Bed Baddie. One of the things. It has restricted them from trading, all because of the hedge funds and the damn Wall Street people are losing money. They come out with a bogus ass statement saying, well, we at Robinhood support all people and everyday people for making money. Bullshit, Robinhood. Bullshit. You and CNBC is at the head of all this bull. CNBC. CNBC, you know how people are complaining about how Fox News support the Republicans and all that kind of crap? CNBC, they support Wall Street and the hedge fund. And they don't want everyday people, the working people to make money. Not at all. AMC stock went down so bad today. It's scary. And Nokia. That shit back down to $4. It back down to $4 a damn share. After going up to $16 yesterday. Let me see. Nokia. Yeah, Nokia went up to about $16 on yesterday. Now that shit back down to $4.92 because the hedge fund people were complaining about tonight. Why is the stock going up so high? What the purpose of it? The purpose of the people are showing you, if you leave them alone, that they want to make money too. Same thing with AMC. They really got pissed off because GameStop stock went from pennies up to $300 a share. They got pissed off because the hedge fund people complaining about Wall Street bet on Reddit. They're complaining about that because they're talking about there's a group of people get together and saying what they want to purchase stocks in. But at the same time, the hedge fund people, they get together and say what they want to trade and what they want to buy in. The shit is so ridiculous, people. You have people that came with, if they wanted to sell their stocks in GameStops and AMC, they pretty much they don't have nobody to buy it. Especially in GameStops. If you don't put restriction on buying the damn shit, how can you sell it? You got some senators and representatives. What her name? Oh shoot! It's in with Cortez. I talked about her last night with my daughter. Oh man, I forgot her first name, but she's saying she on the doing financial committee, and she said if she need to bring something to the floor and see what's going on, she would do it. And Mark Cuban, like, he released a statement saying, "So you telling me these people can't make money and they can't discuss what they trade? It's not illegal to discuss what you plan on buying stocks in. The rich do it all the time. It's not illegal." They tell me they don't want them to go on like a group of people shouldn't go. People. There were 1.2 million people. The majority of them people are working class people who in that on Wall Street bet. They're not gonna get rich off of that. A lot of them not gonna get rich off of it. A lot of them, they don't have $5,000 to $10,000 to throw into that stock or whatever. But they $100 or $200 they have in this stock is losing. Do you know how? I'll be honest with you. I have purchased stocks and some of the stuff. But I purchased some of my stocks into this stuff last week before this junk started taking off because I don't have a lot of money. So I go after them penny stocks. I go from the $4 to up to $8 stocks because I'm like, well, if I invest this in, I won't be losing too much. But when some of those stocks started taking off yesterday, started getting money, I was happy. I was happy, people. I was like, holy shit, look at me. But now they restricting AMC and Nokia and a whole bunch of other companies, and they thinking people just gonna run and sell. The people like, why would I sell? I would be losing money. They like, we gonna hold. They said they gonna hold. They doing stocks, and they said Robinhood do not come to their sisters. Robinhood gonna be shut down, and I won't be surprised that Robinhood lose a whole bunch of customers after this buckery end. But these people say, okay, we see it, we see our junk don't went down. Like, look at AMC. They down 51.96%. Like I said, it's down to $9.52 right now. On yesterday, that jump was like $19 or so. And then places like Cash App, they having so much traffic. There's a lot of this stuff is not able to go through. It takes time for it. If you don't sold something, you don't know how long you're gonna take before your process get your purchase get processed. They just did. Let me see. They just did a breaking news. A lot of these doing media outlets saying like this one from New York. Who won it? New York what? It wasn't a New York publications. They're telling GameStop plunge after a platform places more restriction on trading. Is that illegal? Is that legal or illegal? Could they put restriction on trading like that without any? Cause I know a lot of people. I didn't know anything about that during Wall Street Bet until the media brought up Wall Street Bet. So I went and checked out Wall Street Bet, and I see a lot of people saying, out of that 1.2 million people, they saying if we all put $1 in here, and if we all donate $1, we will have $1.2 million to give a lawyer to get a class action lawsuit. They write $1 to get $1.2 million, and they can sue the shit out of whomever that lawyer go after. So the strategy y'all taking right now, yeah, you see it. You see what's going on. But do you want to lose more money in the lawsuit? Cause like I told you, you got some big names out there who like, okay, this shit is wrong. Y'all know Mark Cuban. People know Mark Cuban as the Shark Tank dude, the owner of the NBA team, the David Marriage. But Mark Cuban also an investor. And he like they said now, the big tech and the hedge fund people are really going at it. They're not on the same side. They're not seeing eye to eye. So some of the big techs, they also donated some of their money. Also bought shares in some of these doing companies that taking a doing hit today. And some of the big techs got money that could fight this mess. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's the AMC Entertainment dropped 60% while American Airlines was up 5%. That's the start of the day with the game. And what the crazy part is, people? People, the crazy part is before the darn Wall Street opened up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, before they opened up, AMC, GameStop, and all the other companies they named, they already had took a loss. They started off in the damn red. Nobody haven't traded or nothing. I come to find out, they said some of the hedge fund people are allowed to trade after hours. But regular people, regular traders, they can't trade after hours. So once 4:30 come, with regular people, I know regular people sound strange. I know. Like you're talking to a whole different breed of people. But when regular people, 4:30 come, that's what you made. Now you're looking at the thing, so this how much I made. 9:30 in the morning, like, damn, I lost that much money. People, perfect example of why so many people do not trust the darn financial movement. I understand now why in the early 2000s when people had boycotted Wall Street. We understand now. I didn't understand then. No, I ain't had no money. Still don't have no money, but I understand better now that people are really tired of the bullshit. People are really tired of it. Like I said earlier, a lot of people is not gonna get rich off of it. But a lot of these people, like a lot of them people who joined Robinhood gave them free stock in GameStop. Because GameStop stock won't hit on shit. They gave them free stocks in GameStop. A lot of the people got online, they were celebrating because they had made $300 off GameStop. They had made $300. They were happy about it. But the hedge fund people like, oh, $300 supposed to go to us. We supposed to get that money. So after that, there was a conspiracy. There was a conspiracy against the regular people and the tech people to like call up all these. You know they got on the phone or they got online and got in touch with these trading companies and saying, hey, what happened yesterday? It better not happen today. All of them in a damn conference call or on Zoom or something, like discussing ways to make American people broke. That's it. They were discussing ways to make American people broke. And that's a damn shame. But guess what, people? Like I said earlier, a lot of these people said, hey, we're not selling. We're not selling. As long as they're not selling, that stock gonna stay on the market. And they can't keep on this manipulation shit they doing. They can't keep it up. They can't keep it up. Cause you think these senators and representatives speaking out about this because they just want to speak out about it? No, they also invested money into this. I was looking at this sport radio show, and they were on there discussing what happened on yesterday and what happened today. People, they were like, man, they were happy they were making money. Then they seen this and like, what? You know, everybody who really is not aware how dirty these hedge fund and these Wall Street people are, they were in shock. They still in shock. People, my young self, I would have sold. I would have sold. I'm like, No, what? But I agree with him. I did sell a stocks in a couple of things, but I sell stocks in Series Radio. Remember I told y'all on Tuesday, you buy stocks and things that you have or things that you purchase. I don't purchase anything from Series, so what was the name of that damn satellite company? I ain't purchased nothing into them. So I sold that stock. I'm like, give me that. Get my money back. But stocks like ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere taking money from AMC. I don't have that much stock in AMC. But the little stock I have, I'm gonna hold on to it. Like I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna forget about it. All these stocks I have, I'm just gonna forget about it. I'm like, forget about it. Might come in on payday, look at it. Okay, I'm gonna add some more money to it. I'm gonna buy some more shares in the jump. I'm not gonna freak out. Like, I'm not gonna freak out about this money. Because if this was some money that I needed, I would never invested in it. I would never, just say, hey, I'm about to. Because if I do need it, I make bad decisions. But right now, I don't need this money. I don't let this money sit right here, hoping that these stupid ass trading company or trading apps stop putting restriction on this, because this right here, they think they solved the problem. Only thing they did was escalate the problem even higher. They have created. They were thinking that people was pissed off at them. They weren't pissed off at them. A lot of people said they were just making a point. They were just showing that we can earn money too. But now these people are mad. You have mad people who going through a pandemic with down there, the whole country still on lockdown except Atlanta and Houston. Three cities. Atlanta, Houston, Miami. They still out there. But down there, the rest of the country is still on lockdown. They get more educated into stock market. In the stock market, they get more educated people. That's all. What they don't understand, they create monsters. They making these people like, okay, now I'm gonna see what really going on. I'm about to sit down here and be self-educated and see what really going on and see what impact that I really can make. Y'all, they think they shut down these people on Wall Street bet. You ain't shut shit down, people. These people were about to team up and about to like, okay, what we gonna do next? They're gonna say, what can we do next? I'm looking at posts on this Reddit. I'm looking at posts on Wall Street Bet. And all down the line, they're saying, I'm holding. I'm holding. Then you go on Twitter. They got a hashtag going on. They said, I'm not selling. People, these is not old people like myself. These are young people. And a lot of the young people are stubborn in their ways. And they're not going like, shit, man, you think I'm gonna, no. If I can defy these old people, I'm about to defy these old people. And they doing it. A lot of these young people like, ain't me to sell nothing. They're just trying to scare us off. People, you can't scare people who already been scared all their life. Y'all taught them how to be scared. They tired of being scared now. They have awakened. And y'all have awakened the beast. I'm sorry to tell you. You have awakened the beast. And these young people coming at y'all. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll talk to you later. Later.